FSI Strategies recently attended the Microsoft 365 Conference in Las Vegas, where Microsoft unveiled the newest features, updates, and products that can help businesses thrive in the modern workplace. Here are our top 5 takeaways from the M365 Conference. Number 5. SharePoint Advanced Reporting is now available with an add-on for stock-keeping units without the need for a third-party provider. Number 4. The Microsoft Viva suite is growing with the expansion of Viva goals and new products like Amplify and Glint. These products will help companies develop an advanced employee experience with infrastructure built for the modern workplace. Number 3. OneDrive has been updated with a whole new visual and functional experience that makes it easier to navigate your files between the web, macOS, and Windows Explorer. The update makes it faster and easier to organize, recover, and upload personal, shared, and team files in OneDrive. Number 2. Along with the changes to OneDrive, SharePoint also has a new feel and design. With new features and an updated user interface, SharePoint will be easier to navigate, and with the addition of AI technology, building SharePoint sites and pages is now easier than ever. Number 1. Microsoft Copilot is your AI copilot, sitting in the passenger seat and helping you navigate the modern work landscape. Copilot will be integrated with the Office suite, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, as well as SharePoint, Teams, Outlook, and Power Platform. Utilizing Copilot will provide a whole new level of productivity. If you want to learn more about these new developments, make sure you follow FSI Strategies on YouTube and LinkedIn.